Hi, this video is about how we change the IP address of the 4K30 HDTVIPX system. So basically, this is my country PC and this is the XView software. Okay, so I will just close the software and we start from the beginning. Okay, so double click to run this software. After we have it turned on, and then we just password admin and we choose language and click to login. Click OK to login. Of login, before we enter into the system, we'll just go to the setting icon here. After we go to the setting icon, then you will just power this window here. So for this window, we can just max size of the window. Then we can see we have the device. We can just click the search button. Then we will find all the devices here. So after we found all the devices, and we can just like reorder them. Either we choose by the device ID, or we can buy the IP address, or we can just buy the sub number or the gateway or the MAC address, or we can just choose by the device type. So I usually choose as a device type. So basically, as we can see right now, the IP address of my current device is like actually not in order. So if you want to change the encoder IP address as let's say if I just want to put as start from 70, so I can just modify one by one. So I can modify from here directly. Alright, sorry. So we can choose this one. Once we choose this one, then we can just modify the IP address from here. Okay. But we need to check this box before we modify the IP address. Like this one, we just modify to 70. Then we can click OK button. Then click OK. Then that means we already have this device changed to a different IP address. We can just search it again. So it's not finding, and we'll just wait until it's coming up. Search again. Usually it will just take about like several minutes to get it back. Search again. So now the device is coming up. It's the one which we just changed to 70. Okay, so this one way for us to change the IP address of the device. But we also can just do like this one, and we can reorder it again. We can just take all the device. Then I just want to change the decoder IP address. So we can just uncheck these two encoders. And I will just go back to on the right side. So we have a batch modification. And if we want to change this one, we just check this box, network parameters. Okay. So this one, I'm just going to start from 80. And here also we need to make sure we have a start ID for the devices. Okay. So this part I'm just going to change from 80 because right now I have, okay, anyway, I will just put start from 80 to 90. Then we click OK button and click OK. Okay, so now all the devices are restarting. We just wait until the device is getting back. We can check out on the front panel. Also, it's the indicators are still off. We can just wait until the indicators are all light up. Okay. So now we check it out. It's already back. Just turn off the music first. Okay. So now we already have click search button again. Let's see if we got the IP address changed. Okay. So now the IP address already changed for the decoders. We just reorder by the coder and decoder. Okay. So it's start from 80 to 85, and this one we also can just change to 71. Or we can just reorder these two at the same time. Okay, So start ID we just put as 5 and 6. Okay, then click OK button. Okay, then let's just wait until it comes back. Okay, so here's the 2 transmitters. Okay, so now the indicators are light up, and we can just back to the software and click the search icon again. Check it out. So we have 156. Okay, reordered by the device type again. So now this is how we change the IP address of the encoder and decoders. Okay, thank you.